Rise and shine. What's up, what's goody, what's poppin', you guys? Welcome to My Life TV. Of course, with your girl, Tasha. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on all the post notifications so that you do not miss another video. Y'all, today is show day. Yes, today is show day. And I have 3 more heads to do. I need to get glow sticks. I need glow sticks. My package ain't came yet with the outfits. I'm like, I would Temu, you're slow. You're slow, Temu. Freak out of here. I need my stuff today. I need it today. Yeah, so I have 3 more heads. The most intricate heads at that are today. I did all my cornrowing yesterday. So I just gotta spruce up them styles. That trash things. Spruce up them styles. Do my ones for today. I need a crimper iron. Alright, first thing we're doing is making some coffee because my microwave broke. It's not heating. Alright, so I told myself I was going to document this. So, y'all, I'm going to try, my best to succeed at that, okay? So, I'm going to try to hold on to my word. I'm going to cover my hair up in some sort of a way. Where are my scores? Oh, I know what one that, but that don't match. And I gave a little girl my other one. Shinacles. Look at these, y'all. Ain't they too adoring? My grandson little pants. That's good enough to go in the store, right? I'm just going in and get what I gotta get and come out. Say good morning. You hit me back. So I have 2 favorite supply stores, and this is one of them. We are at the Beauty Supply on Yadkin Road here in Fayetteville. One of my favorite places. I'm gonna try to be quiet about it. Look at that purse. Extra stuff. Hey, how you doing? Who's that, y'all? Your girl. I'm sorry, let me get out the way, Pooh. Okay. I need a cart. Let's get what we came in here first. Let's get some hair. We need human. Damn, it's bad. I mean, damn, ow. I'm gonna have a bruise. I need on the track for her. This is the long one. I need it. Oh, wait. I might can find one back here. Ooh, don't look at me, y'all. Oh, hit it. If I would have had time, I could have made her a wig. And the type of wig that we need, they don't have made. No. And nope. And no. Well, they have it right there. I wonder, can I blow that straight? Man, I canceled that one on Bonanza Drive as my favorite. It's ridiculous when you are a beauty supply store and you do not offer every spectrum of the rainbow, hair color and braiding hair, human hair, and synthetic hair, girl. I said, girl, y'all got to step y'all panties up. It's summer. People want to go bright. So now I'm headed to my #1 favorite store over here on Raleigh Road, A1 Beauty Supply Store. Stop playing with A1. A1 is your one-stop shop, boo. Yep. I'm on crunch time. I'm on crunch time. So hopefully today y'all can get some behind the scenes. I'm gonna try my best to keep my phone. Hold up. I am gonna try my best to keep. They can build. I know they're not gonna build anything on no swampy water and try to fill it in. Ew. Anyway. I am going to try to film everything, basically is what I'm saying. And we're just going to go with it. I got to get the couple of things. I need to go to Walmart and get a big bag of glue sticks. I know I can't fail there. And, Lord, I'm just praying that my stuff gets here. If not, I'm going to have to zoom over to so-and-so place to get doggone feathers. That blows me. Alright, let's hope we have better luck in here. Like, am I making this up? There's no way I could be making this up. I know that they have. Tell me what. And we go on first. Yeah. Or you can put it over there. It don't matter. She did her thing. Look at this. Girl, you look here. Hey. These are on sale for $250. I'm not even playing with you. You can get at least $250 for these. And they got weight. Yeah, for real. Honey, this might be a new business. I'm so serious. This might be a new business for you. If you would like a customized fan, that is so beautiful. Yeah, you did your thing.
You made me because I was saying, okay, so which pair? What outfit?
We're going to have a class on this. You'll do a class?
Yeah.
If I get because the sticks came from the Dollar General.
And just the thing.
If they don't come today, we're still going to use them. There you go, working, Ma. Yes, honey. You live and direct. Take the picture, I'm videoing. Let me see you. Turn around so we can see your hair. Okay. Ow! Yes. Okay. Hey. There you go. Work the set, Ma. Turn around. Hey. Ow. Don't play with her. Hey. Yes. Work. All right. Boom. Ow. Ow, put the crown on, Paul. She's that girl. Give him girl goddess. I'm ugly though. All right, y'all. Everyone is beautiful. Everyone is beautiful. We got Jolanda Smith, celeb stylist, and her models, the super women. I love this. I love this. That's fire. I'm not. Word. Yeah.
Annie to the stage. Let's give her a round of applause.
That's how you battle. You do hair on stage. That's how you battle.
Welcome to the jungle. Coming to the stage, we have Miss Tasha's models. It's our first stylist contestant. Come on, be kind.
What next?
Wait, I got it. Wait for me. Wait.
Models, take one step forward towards the audience. Now give us a little bit of a turn. We want to see the back. Can we see the back? Oh, look at the back. Now let's get a side profile. Turn to the side. Yes. And front. Beautiful ladies. Gorgeous. gorgeous ladies. Can we give a round of applause to our first contestant, Miss Tasha? They can't see you, Miss Tasha. Just walk up to the second lady. Miss Tasha is right back here. And ladies, welcome to the stage, Miss Tasha. This is our first contestant. Don't be shy, lady. We won't bite. Y'all might bite us. Y'all the birds, right? Get it, peacock. I see peacock. Let's give the ladies a round of applause. Yeah. You in first place, girl. Can we get her truth on? Girl, you deserve that. In second place. Danny. And in third place, Tasha. In fourth place, Miss Jolanda. Let's give them all one big round of applause. Thank you so much for coming out and competing in the Fierce Plus Size Battle Fashion Show. And you may exit stage left. Thank you all. To the makeup artist,
What's up, y'all? So I am back from the competition. As you can see from the video above, I got third. I'm gonna have to tell y'all exactly why I got third. But we're ecstatic, and my team of girls were super, super happy. But I'm getting dressed now because I'm about to go out and celebrate myself. So, you know, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get out the shower. So it is a grill, and I am about to go out for a little while. I feel like I deserve it after all the stress and stuff that I put into this show. That's the chocolate. Oh shit, thank you. What do you do, y'all? Go sit down. I am back in the house. I went out for that hot little second. A pure tea wasted my time. And I'm gonna post the pictures of what I wore. I'm gonna post them following this clip right here, because that's what's gonna take us out of this video right here. So this is actually Sunday morning. The time is 2:45 a.m. Yeah, I did a natural little beat on myself, y'all. I got house chores to do tomorrow, completely house chores, because when we did the show, we just came through here and did what we did and left it. This is how I should have worn my hair. But I gotta get back on the potato. Y'all, it's the potato heist. We getting back on our potatoes, Pookie. Yeah, we ill because your girl is losing her little mass. But I didn't eat really yesterday. I didn't eat really today. But I'm gonna cook tomorrow. So I'm gonna cook tomorrow. So let me show y'all this belt that I wore tonight. I wore my star earrings. Of course, you know I love me some stars. But I wore this little thing that I bought from the thrift store one time. See it? You can wear it like I did in the picture. You can tie it and wear it like this. You can tie it and wear it as a shawl. With the proper top up under it. I'm thinking you can even wear it as a tubie. Ooh, I ain't did that yet. I ain't did it as a tubie in all the years that I've had it. Y'all, it was some larceny to that hair show. Ooh, people. You got to be careful what you put into it. But see, I ain't paying no money. And my skit went just fine. And my girls were happy. So, I ain't got no complaints, Poop. None. Zilch. I'm not bringing that back here and didn't bring a spoon. I'll be back here.